Hey, this is Todd from Italian Gun Grease. Hey listen, recently we got a lot of blogs and requests about whether our products actually hold up under extreme conditions. In fact, Rick from Montana sent this in. I live up in Montana and I'll just say, it gets cold here. I've been a long time IGG family member and I think it would be awesome to see you do a video of a pistol that has been treated with your TrueGrease and your tactical lube being broken out with a block of ice and you come up shooting. Thanks, Rick. So here's what we did. We lubed the rails with TrueGrease. We sprayed down the working parts with tactical lube. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna freeze it in a block of ice. Then we're gonna break it out with a hammer and a pick. Like that. Then we're gonna come up shooting. We're gonna empty the magazine. So stay tuned to see what happens. Oh, thanks for all those that have blogged. Thanks Rick for your blog. And thanks to Beretta for the 9.2. Also, if you can come up with some more challenges and we pick your video, we're gonna send you an IGG can of appreciation full of IGG goodies. Hey, thanks for watching.